Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the forever winter game, FPS drop, freezing or the shuttering problem on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution. So the first solution is lower in-game graphics setting. Reduce setting like texture quality, shadows or particle effect, disable motion blur, VSync and anti-aliasing to improve performance. Then launch the game again and then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then update graphic driver. Ensure that your GPU drivers, NVIDIA, AMD are fully up to date to avoid performance released issues. So once you update your graphic drivers, then just simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, if not, then close background application. So make a right click on your taskbar and simply open up the task manager. And guys, here just simply close all unnecessary background application because these will consume a lot of CPU or RAM on your PC and causing your game FPS drop, crashing issues or the freezing issues. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and click on the end task. So once you close all of these, then just click on the startup on the top and guys here just disable all of these because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So it is important to disable all of these. Then launch the game and then check your problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then optimize power setting. Set your PC power plan to high performance in control panel. So go to the Windows search and just type here the control panel and simply open it. Now just click on the power options. Then just click on the create a power plan option. Now here just select it to the high performance. Then click on the next. Then just create it. So once you create it, then launch the game again. Then check. Now the next solution to fix this problem is enable game mode in Windows. Turn on Windows game mode. So go to the Windows search and just type the game mode and open it. Now here just make sure that this is on. Now it will close all the background processes when you are on the game. So it is important to turn it on. Now the next solution to fix this problem is check CPU or GPU temperatures. Overheating can cause FPS drop or shuttering. Ensure your system is adequately cooled and if necessary clean dust from your fans or invest in better cooling solution. Now the seventh solution is not very necessary, so we are skipping it. Now the eighth solution to fix this problem is disable full screen optimization. So simply open up the Steam, then click on the gear icon of your game, go to your game properties, then click on the install file, then just click on the browse option. Now here just locate your game launcher. So make a right click on your game launcher or exe file of your game. Click on the properties. Now go to the compatibility. Now hit this. Check this box of compatibility mode and choose at the Windows 8 and check the box of disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. Then click on apply, then launch the game and check your problem is fixed or not. Now guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then click on the gear icon again, go to game properties. Now just turn off the enable the Steam overlay while in game. Then launch the game and then check. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then limit background processes. This is not very necessary. Use the task manager to limit unnecessary background processes. This can free up resources for the game. Now, this is not very necessary. The next solution is reduce resolution. Lowering the game resolution can significantly reduce the load on your GPU or CPU, which can help reduce stuttering and improve FPS. Then check. Now the 11th solution is ensure your system meets requirement. Double check the system requirement to make sure that your system has the minimum requirement to run this game on your PC. Now just try all of the solution and see which work for you. And if your problem is fixed, please consider liking this video and bye bye and take care.